Hey coders, welcome to HTML and CSS Master Course. I'm Bin Mustafa from Code.Dev Academy, and I'll guide you from zero experience to building a stunning website from scratch. In this first lesson, we'll cover what this course is all about, the mindset you need to succeed as a beginner learning web development, and how to set up your coding environment. Grab the course roadmap and the HTML and CSS cheat sheet from the link below to stay on track when we're moving on further in the course. Let's start the journey of learning web development. Here's what this course packaged for you. We have got 8 different modules, starting from HTML fundamentals, diving into CSS layouts like Flexbox and Grid, and building real-world projects like a portfolio website. By the end of this course, you will be able to code responsive websites with confidence. And I'll show you how to monetize your skills and earn real money from it. I spent weeks creating several number of cheat sheets we're going to use throughout this course, and each module having its own. You can download them below, and it's packed with everything we're going to cover in this course. You're going to get mini quizzes, challenges, and also a visual roadmap to track your progress in this course. By the end of completing this course, you're going to be awarded with your Code.Dev Academy Special Certificate for completing the course. So whether you're a beginner or you're just brushing up, this course is built to make you confident. Now, let's talk of mindset. When I started coding, I was overwhelmed with HTML tags and CSS properties. It felt like a lot. But here's the secret. Consistency beats talent every time. Code for at least 30 minutes a day, and you're going to be amazed at your progress with time. Aim for progress, not perfection. If you make a mistake, put this at the back of your mind. That's how we learn. We learn from our mistakes so that the next time we come across it, we make the adjustment. Here's a real tip I want you to take note of. I need you to have a notebook or a digital log for you to note key things we're going to go through later on in this course. I did this when I was learning, and it has helped me a lot. Further on in the video, when we start playing with code, I need you to break things intentionally and fix them back. That's how I went from a newbie to building client site. You've got this because I'm here by your side step by step. Let's get your coding environment ready. Well, we're going to use Visual Studio Code. It's free, lightweight, and it's loved by most developers. You can download it via the link code.visualstudio.com/download. It's going to take you to this page. So you're going to download when you're using Windows, you download for Windows. And when you're using Mac, you're going to download for Mac. When you download it and install it, it's going to show this page for you. Pause the video and install VS Code so that we can move on track together. The first thing we're going to do now, we're going to install an extension. It is called Live Server. I will explain what it does later on when we start using code. But for now, let's install the extension. You click on the extension tab just below here, and you search for Live Server. It's going to appear here, and you're going to click on Live Server just like this. It's going to take you to this page. Here you're going to install the Live Server. Mine is already installed, as you can see, so you're just going to install yours. We have downloaded VS Code and we have installed our first extension, which is the Live Server. That's the first step I need you to take, with the aim to start coding like a developer. I'm going to give you your first challenge in this lesson. I need you to pause this video, download VS Code, and install your first extension, which is the Live Server. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you all the tools you're going to need to start your coding journey. So stay on track with your roadmap.